Work. Oh, perfect. There we go. Okay. We're actually here. We're actually live. We made it, boys. Yes. Okay. Welcome back, YouTube. Sorry, I crashed. Mostly 6 minutes of me just rambling and complaining about my current computer. Whoops, that is absolutely not what I wanted. Cool. Let's get back into it. Python, Breakout, yeah, and Vim, main. What was the last thing I saved? Oh, right, I did save. That's good, because I was testing stuff. Right, the wall. Breakout. I might want to open up my bedroom window too because it's super warm. Okay, all right. How is everyone? Docs, chats over here. Hello. Yes. That over in here. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Back. Okay, so we were, whoops, that's the wrong thing. Main. Maybe. Okay, so it should not be giving me -1. Let's go over here. Oh, because I gave it B. Fuck. Should B even be a thing? Is B not scoped? Or is it like in this function? Like scoped in this function? Or whatever the last thing was set to be. Whatever B was last set to. Okay. Cool. Works. Man, it's funny too, like I was talking to my friends yesterday, and we play online. Combos. Weird that it. Did I just beat the game? That was so perfect, dude. Oh wow, this is so perfect. Oh no! Spoke too soon. I'll get back in there, coach. Oh, just kidding. I fucked up. Oh. Oh, I was wrong. Broke 1,000, look at that. Would've been a lot cooler with combos. But yeah, anyway, I was just talking about, so I've had this problem about the computer crashing. And I was literally talking to my friends last night about it. I was like, oh yeah, I think I fixed the problem. Literally, like I shit you not. Like literally after saying like, oh yeah, you know how I had a bunch of these problems, I like went through and I like disabled Bluetooth because the Bluetooth drivers were like bad, and like Windows did a bunch of like background stuff with like their devices, like the devices that you have connected, and all this stuff. And I was I was like, oh yeah, I like went through like all the errors and I think I resolved every one of them. And I was like, oh yeah. And then I also remembered that like my motherboard has secure boot and there's a specific setting for Windows and I needed to switch off of it so I could install Linux because I was doing Linux AI stuff way back. Actually, I think back in December, November area. And then so like I forgot I had done that, and then I was like, why am I getting these crashes? And then I remembered, I was like, oh, it's secure boot. Like so there was some event, an event viewer, some error, an event viewer that was like, oh yeah, like we're trying to update the secure boot credentials because it writes the keys to the motherboard, I believe. And like it couldn't do that, and I was like, oh, I need to switch that over. To switch that over, I think I had that switched over last night. And then literally after like explaining all this to my friends, like I literally said it and like shit you not, like a minute later I crashed. And then right now I crashed. Or tonight I crashed, so I don't know what the problem was or is. I'll have to look at that a little bit more later, off stream obviously. Because that's probably not fun to watch. We're gonna make all that. Boom, rectangles done. Okay, now everything, so blocks are fine, everything's fine. We need to now do the same thing with the ball versus the player. And I think what I'm gonna try to do is do player movement versus the ball, like up here or maybe up here. Essentially, before we move the ball, we're going to move the player and see if the player collided with the ball, and then we're going to influence where probably just the ball velocity, like where the ball is going to go. That might be tricky. Well, I guess not really. Well, yeah, probably not, because it's probably going to be moving towards us, so if we hit them before it hits us, it probably shouldn't matter too much. I was thinking if it bounced off of the bottom, oh, Milton crashed, fuck. Well, Milton didn't crash, but Peter crashed, and Milton's not up anymore. I was thinking like, oh, if it like bounced off, and then came up, and if we moved into it while it was coming up, we might reflect the vector in a weird direction. I think maybe that might not even be true. But like you can't obviously bounce off the bottom because that's death. So, we're gonna... Okie dokie. I guess it's also good to know that YouTube is not very good at recovery from crashing. You have to like end the stream and like start a new stream and then go live. So that's good to know. I guess if I scheduled a stream, it might have been different. Anyway, let's focus. Okay, so yeah, this is just, so we're just going to do the ball versus the player. And then, yeah, like I was saying, we're going to do a separate one before this for the player moving into the ball. So this is the ball moving into the player. The player is already moved, and we don't care exactly where the ball is or what the player is doing. So here we're going to do that. And then I think, yeah, we're just going to do... sure, we're just going to reuse all that. Point. Nope. Yeah, no, circle versus rectangle. Sure, yeah, circle versus rectangle. And then, oh, the player's not a rectangle. Shit. Ball pose, ball radius. Alright, we're just going to make one. I wonder if I can do like a... technically. Let's see if that works. Or if we crashed. Okay, we'll Pygame.rect. Because there's like a rect type, right? Where like, here, let's look at something that takes in a rect. Was it blit? No, that takes in like a screen. And it gives you a rect. Is it draw rect? Is that what it was? Yeah, so rect value. I was trying to see if I could construct like a rect value, like with that tuple, but I don't think that worked. So yeah, we'll just construct a rect. We'll construct a rect. Yeah, okay, and then just do the logic that we do, except for not, because this is player. So normal, define face, normal. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna want that to be in a thing. Or, oh, I'm gonna want that a lot sooner too. Position, and then we're gonna do player prect. Choosing these bad names. I guess we don't need that anymore. Okay, and I think we want to play the sound, right? Okay, so that's cool, but that's not exactly what we want. We want this stuff, which is done incorrectly. So let's, what do I want to do? Do bounce off player. Don't want that there. Then I think I want to rename to bounce physics to do bounce physics. Shit, fuck. Okay, perfect. I hit escape instead of enter. That's why that was so detrimental. Okay, so we need to do the stuffs. Okay, so I calculate a diffter, which is fine. Okay, so this is literally, I probably don't need all this stuff anymore. We'll leave it. We'll leave it until all this physics rewrite is done, and I'll delete all that. Go through and delete all the dead code. Return ball velocity, and then ball pose equals leftover times ball velocity, the old ball velocity. Okay, and then that's magnitude minus ball radius. Okay. V yank. I don't know if you need BV frame. that is what we want, and this, and then, oh, actually shit, hold on, let me, cause let's see what did we actually do? Okay, so just ball velocity. We add the diffter and then we normalize. Okay, so ball velocity, reflect, instead of just reflect, we add the diffter. That's the only difference. Whoops, that was absolutely not what I wanted. I hit DD. Oh, diffter, that's why I hit DD. Okay. 3 down. Oh. Delete 3 up. Okay. Cool, alright. Alright. No! Oh, am I calling? I don't think I'm calling the correct function. I do that a lot. Shit, what did I call that? Do bounce off player, yeah. Oh, I didn't, okay. Oh, well, I wanted to keep that. Okay, that's fine. Ooh, intersection. Oh, good old copy paste. Oh, okay, cool. Yank. Oh. Oh, this needs another parameter. Okay. Yeah, but like, where was it? Okay. All right. Did we just calculate that? Yeah, we did. I think that's just going to be another. What did I just do? Okay, cool. Yeah, we're just going to grab that. So it's here, player. Oh, wait. Does rec just have this? Center. Oh, it does. Look at that. It has a center. I wonder if they just calculate this. All right, cool. So I don't think I give the p-rect to it. I don't. Okay, so this just gets p-rect center. Yeah, cool. Then here we get center. Sure, center rect. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now it's going to complain about the tuple because I'm accessing. Oh, that just worked. Okay. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I think we're back. That was good. Yeah, so I just remembered this. I think before I crashed, I got that super sweet, that super sick, where it like hit all of these and basically like got through everything that looked wrong. Okay, that looked fine. I think that was a problem with the player moved inside of the ball. Hopefully that's what we're gonna fix next. But I was gonna say, I don't know if you guys noticed this. Another bug is that when we were up here and we were playing the bounce sound effects very rapidly together, like the 5th or the 6th one that it should have played, it just didn't play. I think there's a limit of how many sound effects I can play for either SDL or Pygame. I think the problem though is that bloop, since I just made it real quick in LMMS, it's a very long bloop, even though it's only like this big. Like the sound effect goes on till here, so like I just need to trim that up. So I'm gonna do that, and then maybe on stream if I have time. Oh Jesus, it's already 7:34. Okay, so that's good. That's good. I think I wanted to status get diff. That didn't tell me anything. Okay. So let's see. We added walls and we converted. No, we need to do more stuff, right? No, I think we're done with it. Yeah, I think the player looks fine. Yeah, no, I think the player does everything that we need to do. Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so I'm going to commit this real quick, and then we're going to delete dead code, and then we're going to move on to the we're going to move on to the new stuff, or not new stuff, whatever else we have going on. Commit physics rewrite. Walls are now rex instead of lines. Or that we were just really checking positions, but it's fine. Player converted to new physics system. Blocks finished. Block collision. By adding sounds and score back. We also added the death, but I don't really care about that. Okay, so cool. So now we're gonna go through and we're just gonna, so we did that. So yeah, we're just gonna clamp the player and do player velocity, which might take long. Now we're gonna delete dead code. I believe we're using get line intersection still. Do wall physics, I don't think we're using. Do wall physics. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna delete this. Whoops. Bounce physics, I believe we're still using. Bounce off player, we're still using. Circle versus rectangle, we're still using. Circle velocity vs. Ooh, over player. Okay. Alright, beautiful. Down. Next. Is it E? Yeah. Oh shit, okay, fuck. We're gonna try and delete them all at like the same time, but I don't think can do delete 44 down. Okay, that wasn't delete 42 down. Delete 8 down. Find face normalizing. Oh shit, did I delete? I feel like I did a lot more code than I should have. Okay, that looks pretty good, I guess. Let's go through here. Yeah, oh, okay, yeah, we can delete this stuff. Oh, what is cube center? And do we need it? Oh yeah, we do. Okay, yeah, sure, yeah. Oh, we just, I guess. Oh, we don't update it. Oh, that's weird. We should update it for the frame. So I don't necessarily want these. Oh, we just have a cube center. Where is this? I don't want to rename it. It's not here. Yeah, okay, it's up there. Oh. That is not the cube center plus player size. Shouldn't it be player size? You have player size, right? Yeah, okay. So that's wrong. 5. I just don't need that. So yeah, I honestly should just make this a frickin' rect. A rect. That's fine. We can worry about that later. Yeah, look at that. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Yeah. Okay. I think we're just gonna leave the player as is right now. It should really just be a rectangle. A rectangle. Might have to take a short break. Like get water and maybe go to the bathroom. Stand up a little bit. Stretch the legs. What do we need to do? Clamp player movement to screen. What I should do is just do player velocity. I think that'll affect. I think that will affect the clamping. No, maybe it won't. So we don't have to do physics based off of the if we're out of bounds. We just can't move, right? So let me make a player velocity. Make that vector 2, 0, 0. Velocity. One. The word velocity. It's just +1. And then. Oh, I wanted to update cube center outside of the step. Oh, I remember that. I remember me doing that now. So I wanted to draw the most updated cube center. Well, I guess we do it after we move. That would be the most updated cube center, wouldn't it? Right now, I think it lags. Lags a frame. All right, what do we need? Player position plus equals player velocity times 300 times delta time. Done. Not what I wanted. works. Oh shit. It's kind of interesting. You guys can't see this, but like if you don't hold anything, you just keep going in a direction. I think I just need to reset it. Yeah, we can do it here. Update 00. We're doing that now. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, that moves how I think it should. All right. Did that need to be done though? I don't know. I don't know. Here, let's clamp real quick. Well, assuming that it will be real quick. Player pose.x. No, go intelligent. It's less than. It's actually just less than 0. Player pose.x equals 0. I guess we could do like max, right? Player. Like between like set player pose.x to the max of player pose.x and 0, and then player pose.x. Yeah, we can set it again. Oh, I wonder if we can clamp. Anyway, it just basically does this anyway. Get width. Player pose. Shoot, that's not what we want. We want minus player size. Yeah, I call it x. That's a vector, right? Right, and we're gonna set it to this. B till that yank P. There we go. Okay, so we should have clamping. Womp, 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 womp. Womp, 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 womp. Cool. I don't think I should have been able to launch the ball like that. Well, good news, if we have clamping, then we can just limit, right? If we have not started, we can just limit the movement and force you to launch within a small window. That's a different day. Oh, let me go up. I guess for the cleanup, I didn't remove all the print statements, did I? No, I didn't. There's a ton. Oops, I almost got a little carried away with the deletes there. You guys seeing artifacts? I'm seeing like little white, like pixels. Yeah, like that. You guys see that? I'll check the tapes. Hold on. What time is it? How far are we into this? YouTube's probably not a good indicator. How long have I been streaming? Just show me the time. Fuck. Okay. All right. 41 minutes. Probably took me like 2 minutes. Okay, so I'll check 40 minutes. Did my computer crash at like 7? I'll check the event viewer. Hold on. No one needs to tell me. Yeah, I rebooted at 7:06. Okay, that's what I get for starting the stream early. I'm sorry, everyone. I will start on time when I say I'm going to. and I won't do it a moment sooner. Alright, so I got all that done. Oh, well, here, I guess we're still doing player velocity. So we need to do, this is going to be hard to freaking. I think the best way to do this is to test the ball hitting the side of the player, and like the player trying to move in. I guess that's the only way to test this, is the ball like passing the player just enough so the player can like run in and hit it, cause that is literally the only way. Okay, so I think after clamping, I don't know if I should do this before clamping or after clamping. Probably after clamping. Probably doesn't matter too much. But okay, that's a break time. All right, I'm gonna stand up for a little bit, get some water, and then I'll come back after I stretch a little bit. BRB. Okay, give me like 1 minute. Okay, all right, I'm back. Got my water. Oh man, remember how like 30 minutes ago I said I was warm and I was like literally sweating? Yeah, getting a little chilly right now. I guess it's 55 degrees out. Maybe I won't open up the bedroom windows. Okay, we're back, so no more BRB. Alrighty, time to duel. Yeah, okay, so we're just checking if there is a ball radius. Do I just make the player rect up here? Probably, because I don't think it's going to change. Because if there is a collision, then I think we're going to change the ball's stuff. I mean, if that's the case, then we might just be doing the same shit twice, which is fine. That's probably what we want to do. All right. We wanted to get fancy. I don't think this is the case anymore, but if we wanted to get fancy, I think we should do this in an iteration that we just keep going until we have no more collisions. Which I don't think A, the ball moves enough, and B, now that we're doing the whole ball, including the radius and not just the dot, I don't think that's ever realistically gonna happen in a frame. But like if you were making like a robust system that like where you have that, then you might want to implement that. But for our simple breakout game, I don't think that's what we're gonna do. That's not what we're about. Print player hit the ball. So here, what do we want to do? Do we literally just want to do the physics? I don't think we need last contact point. Oh, we'll see. That's the problem, is the ball position in BV frame. We don't have those yet because the ball hasn't moved. I guess we could just use last frame. How would that look like? What? So right, we got a ball, and let's say it's moving this direction, and it moved from like here to here last frame, and now we have, well, I guess it'd be more like this, right? Like the player is doing this, right? And the ball, or the player, moved into the ball. Oh, I didn't mean to zoom in, but that's kind of nice. Whoops. If I drew better, that'd look better, but he says inquisitively. This is where the player is going to move, or actually has moved, because we don't really prevent the player from moving anywhere unless it's off the screen. So if that's the case and there is a collision, then yeah, I think we just reflect the vector, so that'll just go down. I actually don't know why we're doing this, because I think you just die either way. Right? Or do you get, because you get reflected, you're gonna get reflected down over here, right? And so that's just death, unless you like hit the wall and then it gets reflected up here. This is loud. This song got loud. Wonder if it's overpowering my voice. You guys come here for the music anyway, it's fine. What? I've been sitting here idling. Are you telling me there's more errors? What? Check. Maybe I just can't read, just kidding. Oh no, that's all from 706. That's all 706. Yeah. Think, oh no, the distributed COM, oh no. What? The gaming service with arguments unavailable and oh my gosh, why? What? Who? I've had this problem since the 9th, and then before that the 12th of last month. So the last time I got this error was this day, and the time before that was this day. What was I doing? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my gosh. Microsoft is a professional platform. Microsoft is a professional platform. Yeah, so I think we can just use so I roll back the ball position. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I don't do that. Maybe I just keep the ball where it is since we moved into it. Reflect the vector, and then, well, what does the bounce physics do? What do we take? We do leftovers. This is all based off of oh no, like this isn't, this can work. BV frame, is BV frame even used? Oh man, BV frame. No, it isn't. Okay, cool. Oops. Delete 2 words. Perfect. Excellent. So let me find do bounces. I'm gonna delete 2 words. Delete, whoops, shit. Undo, delete 2 words. Delete 2 words. Got it. Okay. Alrighty. No. Oh, ball sacks. Oh yeah, I didn't mean. Where was that? 175. 75. Go. Yeah. Boom. 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 Ah. Oh, the player at the ball. Did you see that? Boom, boom, boom. That worked fine, I think. Well, we haven't finished anything. So we probably hit, and then, and the ball took over and like moved inside of us more and then did other stuff. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna move the ball backwards. We're just going to update the ball position and ball velocity. And we're gonna do bounce. Did I call it player? What's the other one? No, do bounce off player. Off, yeah. We're gonna do that. That's ball position. Velocity. We got contact point. Shit, I need to go get the normal. And then normal. Oh, because we got that first and I forgot to do it. Oh, I don't like this album. Not B. Oh, we need to make a player rec. That's right. We already did that. Look at that. I'm so good. Hold the phone. I think I would, so Pulse is pretty good. I like it, but I don't think it's good. This is what we were just listening to, Pulse Thrive, I think. It kind of like lulls you into this isn't dubstep, I guess. And then it kind of like hits you hard. But anyway, oh, that's not exactly what I want. I like it, I just don't like to talk over it. So if I'm thinking, like, I like the industrial dubstep wubs in your ear holes. Well, I want to say, like, sometimes I'm usually in the mood for it when I'm like working and programming and stuff. But if I'm trying to like talk and explain things or explain my thoughts, then I'm just like, nah, we can't have those. I don't even know how to explain them. I guess the clash. We can't have those clashes of noises and instruments. Yeah, okay, so that's good. That's it. That's everything. I think the game's just done. I'm kidding. What did I need? Oh, the rect. Whoops. That's right, because I was copying off of something that didn't need that. Hold on, let me make sure that's what it is. Yeah, P-rect. Okay, whoops. Those are too many, the wrong kinds of ups. Can we see that okay? Can we read? I can read it. I can read it in the vlog or in the VODs. So let me know if the font size needs to be increased. Okay, well, let's see here. Oh, that was too soon. Oof. Oh, it wants center. Oh, dang it. Reflect. Normal must not be of length 0. Oh, shit. Okay. How do I calculate normal? Yes. Ball position in rect, right? And player normal. Oh. Need to format that. What? Oh, because it hit the top. Or no, I guess I didn't move. Oh, it did. Oh no. Wait, what? Does it not move enough? Why does that get called twice? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oops. That should be over. No. I wanted to be done today. how much do I move and how much does the player move? Or how much does the player move and how much does the ball move? 300 versus 350 on delta time. The problem that I think is that after it's adjusted, obviously it doesn't move that fast because we're still having multiple collisions. And granted, we're only going 60 frames a second. So this is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames that we're hitting, but then like for whatever reason we can't find a normal to bounce off of. And like this is all special, right? Okay, so this is the left side, this is the top. Yeah, that's the top, and this is the left side. And then we just can't, we don't hit anything. So velocity. I wonder what this is doing. Yeah, we'll debug this real quick. Leftover should be negative, right? Because it's on the left side. This was kind of worthless because I don't know what the ball velocity was going in. Okay, print F. BP ball position BP ball velocity. What about that angle was aggressive fuck? Oh, it's just ball pause. Whoops. Word. Zero 1029. Where was it going? It was going like that, right? Reflecting should be like that. we'll like reroute wound it. Let's try to not bounce off player. What if we just do normal as physics? Like so the top surface is going to do the bounce off the player. I guess if this will be weird, but if the ball hits the player, it'll do the normal player physics. If the player hits the ball, it'll do rectangle physics. Let's see how fucky that gets. What does this need? Not that. Okay, so same problem, doesn't matter. Well, that's good to know. Hold the thought. I'm not at the newest change. I have more changes, you dig. P. Did I not save? I might not have saved. And wow. It shouldn't have done all that BP and stuff because we're calling the other function. Oh. Because the ball's still hitting. Okay. Alright, well, still crashes. Wait, what? How is that? Oh, okay. Oh. Does the does it not push it out far enough? So I'm thinking that when this happens, we're here, we might be too far inside. So I was trying to get it to move out, obviously, of the rectangle. But I think when it moves again, here, I think we're obviously colliding with the player. And we don't update this. We don't change this. Because the player doesn't move if it hits the ball moves if the player hits the ball. Okay, well then hold on. We just need to do ball hit player and then print f normal. Way too much. No. That's what we have to be fixing. Ugh. So the ball hit the player. So ball hit player. Okay, so we go. Oh, I should clear this. The frame. I don't know what happened in the frame. Okay, so player hit the ball. Yeah, I don't know. Man. Well, that didn't help us, so we're gonna go back to this. So I think what I want to do here is see if I could get the I want to modify this somehow. So that, ooh man, it's late. Yeah, no, I really want to fix this or finish this. Yeah, I'll just stream. Fuck it. So this is kind of dumb, but if I don't think that's gonna move enough. I don't think that's gonna. Is that even gonna change the? Oh yeah, it'll change where the ball position is. Leftover ball velocity. Way too much. Okay, so this is pure. So ball hit the player, and then it moves, and then that same frame. Player hit the ball. Okay. And they reflect again. Oh. Shit. Yeah, so if it's not... Okay, so the problem is... The problem is that... Oh, I need to poop. Yeah, it's just still stuck inside, right? I think it... Oh, that was terrible. I should not hit my... So if we move that much, then like we're like inside, like deep inside, I think. And then when we do the calculations, we do that. We don't really take into account how much you're inside the cube. So you do this. This is probably a very, very bad way of doing it. I think we'd be more down here, but or this is, yeah, this is just a bad diagram, but because it's kind of ambiguous of what thing we would hit, but we'll just assume that we're actually hitting this one, this left side, so our normal is going to be like -1, 0, right? So the problem though is that we calculate all of this, we take the ball's velocity, right? We go back by the leftover amount. Here, I want to read this. We go back. Who cares about Tifter right now? Ball position minus the intersect point. And magnitude of that, the length of that, right? So wherever we are and wherever it is, give me the length of that, and subtract the ball radius, 5. And then we want to move a negative number back that way, right? That's ball position. And then we reflect the direction vector, so then that's going to go that way now. And the problem though is that after we've moved back, when we move again, I think we're still inside. Or we moved out. Yeah, no, so that frame, I think we've moved again. Like that frame when the ball moves, when it's the ball's turn to move, then we're still inside, and it like flips its angle back to this one, I think, right? Fuck. So we just need to push it like out, out. Because the problem though is that so this worked before because the ball always moved along its direction vector, right? So we can take this however far we're inside, right? Take that direction, or take the magnitude of that and just go back. Basically, this was like basically rolling back to the point where we actually collided, plus a little bit more, right? We just barely moved, but since like we didn't move, we're taking the ball velocity, and since the player moved into us, its direction vector and velocity are way different, right? Not way different, they're a little different. So like the problem though is that I don't think it's moving along the correct axis. So I think I want to change. Ow, I have dead skin on my foot and I'm trying to pick at it. Probably shouldn't be doing this, but no. Okay, yeah, we'll wait for that. Okay. The whole reason why I'm doing this is because the ball still gets stuck inside the freaking thing, because the player moves. Well, the player and the ball move at the same frame, and that's the real problem. And I don't have a good way of actually doing that. But I think a cheap way is to do a different one of these, where we just reflect the ball velocity and then update the ball position to just push it however much. Actually, what is the ball velocity? Oh, because we want to reflect the ball velocity. Fuck. Essentially, we want to use player velocity, I think, for this one. And then still reflect the ball velocity and do the diffter if we want. Yank. Oops. Two. I'm kind of tired. I'm still not 100% sure. Yeah. Yeah. And then it needs, okay, well, we're gonna delete that. Velocity, which was just updated. Perfect. Beautiful. Oh. Fuck. Player at the ball, player at the ball, player at the ball. Player normal. Ball hit the player. Player hit the ball. Ball pose, trace back. Yeah. Okay. What is this? This is ball velocity. Oh, Difter. Kind of don't give two shits about that. Actually, how's that being used? Okay. Yeah, that's all that's being used. Okay. We probably don't need that. And the leftover is the other number. So when we first do this, it's only negative that much. Right? And so I think we move that much, right? 5, 1, 6, 4. Yeah, I think. Without doing the math, yeah, I think that's correct. And the Y is the same, which I think is correct because the player only moves horizontally. Fuck. New ball velocity. Oh, that's crazy. Fucking plot. Plot grid. No, I want, no. I want to put like fucking X and Y graph. There we go. Include time point. 1, 3. Okay, so it's going that way. What side? Fuck. It's coming down, right? It was on our right side, right? And the ball was coming down, right? Like this, and then we hit into it. We reflected it. I would imagine it would go that way, right? Well, let's plot UV coming in. Oh, did I do this correctly? No, I didn't. I'm a fucking dum-dum. Okay. Oh, okay. 407. Okay. That's what it was coming in. That doesn't make sense. Oh, fuck. this grid. Well, that doesn't help me. Yeah, I want to leave page. I click the fucking X mark. Oh yeah, because we're adding this, and then well, we're normalizing this, adding this, and then what if I don't do diffter? So we don't do that, and then this just becomes, whoops, this just becomes ball velocity. It's ball velocity reflect. Probably could do like reflect IP. There's probably a reflect IP. Yeah, probably could just do that instead. It's fine. It's okay. No. Okay, so it's coming down, right? Fuck. Player hit the ball, player hit the ball, ball hit the player. So this cannot happen. We cannot have this happen. Like, why is this happening? Okay, so this just reflects it. Okay, so if our freaking point is up here, all right, and so then what would all of the directions look like? So negative on the X, negative, and then Y. So this is going to be kind of probably not exactly like that. Probably going to be like that, right? That makes sense. That is okay. And then so if we reflect that, the Y is still down. Down is positive, by the way, because this is 0, 0, 0, 0, right? And then this is going to be width of the screen 0. And this is going to be 0. Height. So that's why the graph didn't make any sense. Because origin was all fucked up. So if we reflect this, this is going to be positive. So positive is this way for the x-axis, and then positive, and that's not going to change anything. So it's going to go back down. That's the correct reflection. That's what we want. The problem though is that after that happens, the ball continues to hit the fucking player, even though we told it to move. Is it because it's negative? Is it actually going more inside the player? Is that the case? So take the player velocity. If I want to go that way, that's positive. No, we're taking the intersect point. Okay, I think we should decide if this should be negative or not. I think that might be part of our problem. D. So okay, so in that specific case, it was coming down on our right side and we were hitting the D key, so we were going positive. So we wanted it to move more positive. Its position needed to be moved more positive. And what did it move? Ball position is 6'11". We need that to be higher. It did not move higher. Okay. We need to change this one specifically, because it's its own thing now, because I'm tired and I want to be done with this. So for this specifically, and remember, we're only doing this. This is only happening like this because I think how we want to move the ball, and the ball's not moving yet, right? The ball hasn't moved yet. So like the player is colliding, changing the ball's velocity, but we need to resolve the player's or the ball's position in relation to how much the player has moved that frame. So that's why we're doing things a little weird. Also, I'm not really good at physics, so you got that going for me too. So essentially, I think in this case, we want this to be positive. We honestly probably want this to be positive all of the time. So I don't know if we want to do intersect point minus ball position. That doesn't matter. Magnitude's always positive. So I wonder if we just always want to do ball radius times 1.001 minus this stuff. I wonder if that's just how this needs to go. Okay. Hey, at least oops. At least we got a change. Look at that. Did I move more inside? Okay, well, hold on. Let me look at all the. Oh, you know what? I should just be using my fucking step through. Okay, so oh, it didn't change at all. Okay, so this is positive, right? And the player velocity is negative on the X, right? Oh. What? Am I not calling this? Motherfucker. No, I'm calling it. How did it move on the Y? Hold on, what? Am I dumb? Alright, well, we also need to print player velocity. He says authoritatively. That moved to the right. You guys saw that move to the right. That was correct. Yeah, look at that. That is correct. That was correct. And it doesn't look like it is changing or it is moving. All right, let's see. Where was this moving? Let's see. So this should have been like a negative and then a positive. Okay, so exactly like the lines that I just wrote or erased. So like negative 0.3 isn't that much, and so yeah, it'd be kind of like that, I think. So yeah, to reflect it, we're back in the positive, like that. Okay, so that seems fine. Let's step through and see what the fuck. Yeah, that just worked. I'm also not moving though, so maybe here, let me, actually I can just restart. Go here. Oh shit, I forgot to fucking, oh yeah, whatever. Okay, that's the problem. Do I want the ball to move again? Do I just want the ball to straight up just, do we just do that, and then do we just, after that, do we just say ball? Well, hold on. Before we can solve that, I think we just want it to move once again. That might be kind of shitty. That might not work. Well, I guess two things. I think you're gonna die anyway as a player. Sorry, in the game, that was very dark, out of context, Jesus. But if you hit the edge of the player, or yeah, if the player's left or right edge hits the ball, then you're probably not going to win for very long. I think the walls are thick enough that, well, you'll probably get stuck inside them. Okay, let me test. I want to test the other side because the right side seems to be fine, but the other side, yeah, so the right edge, this edge, I think it's fine. It's doing what I was expecting, so this I want to test. Way too soon. Too soon, Junior. Okay, that was fine. Yeah, so I think it needs to just move away. So that's correct, I think. Shit, where was I? I got a little happy. Where's my name? There we go. I hope this was the first one. Yeah, okay. I don't know what was happening. Maybe I didn't save the file. But yeah, okay, so this seems to be fine. This seems working. Now to get rid of the continual pushing of the ball, I think we just want to do another step. I don't know. What was I doing before? Oh, I did that was for the velocity, not for the, I don't know if I really, I didn't want to do velocity. Ball position. Oh, well, how do we do it down here? Add, oh yeah, we just add the velocity times everything. Oh, I don't have delta time, shit. I guess I can do it outside the function. Ball plus equals, yeah, ball velocity times 350 times dt. Put it like a to-do check physics. So like this, I think we would put it into like a function, like anytime we increment, like anytime we would increment the ball velocity, we would just go through all the physics stuff. Well, maybe it'd be its own special thing, because I don't know if we would want to check for the player again. Maybe that'd be worth it. Okay, well let's just see how this works. That was way too soon. So that moved a lot, however, it didn't move enough. Yeah, we're gonna hit again. Yeah, and then we fucking crash. 'Cause we got a fucking... Oh, it's time to stand again. Thanks, Watch, for reminding me. Well, this sucks. We're gonna abandon. We're gonna abandon all of that. Score. Actually, where is the score? We'll put it next to this. Multiplier. That's 1. That. Times score. Oh, oops. Time. Oops, shit. Fuck. Multiplier. Oopsies. And then multiplier gets 2. Yeah, we'll just say it gets 2 for now. And then the ball hits the player. Multiplier equals 1. And then, whoopsie, shit, fuck. No. Undo. Or redo. We're gonna go up. Then, up. And then, multiplier. Gonna get 1. I think we're gonna just have the walls be neutral. What? Is something else going on? I was not expecting that to happen. Why would that? Am I... Hold on. What the fuck? What? Why? What? Player position, player size. After everything was done, right? How is this? How? Oh. Oh, I wonder if this is doing bad shit. Hold on. Let me just... Where are we? Where is everything? We're just not gonna do this. All that shit we're just not gonna do. Let's see if... Fuck. I'm at 35. I can't do math. Should have just printed the screen what the multiplier was. Yeah, that was 5. 5. 5. Resets. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, I think that was fine. Did that work? How much did that increase my score by? Weird. Okay. Fuck, dude. Something's really weird with how I'm doing the ball collision with the player. Dang it. Oh. Oh no. Oh, I moved. I shouldn't have moved. Combo's neat, but I think with the shape of this arena, it's kind of hard to do. Walk. Which I guess what makes it a cool award. But I should definitely add like fanfare to it. Like, way to go, you are fucking crushing it 2 times the score. What is that, 35 to 65? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Come on. 15. No. Yes. Yeah, got it. 2. 2. 2. Okay. No, that's too far. Get in there. Yeah. Okay, cool. Probably should have printed it before I changed it to see. Okay, cool. I assume that's working. 6, boom, boom. 10, and then what was that? 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 times 2 is 40, so 10, 40 is 50. What did they go from 43 to, was it 48? Alright, I don't know why my physics sucks, but I've been doing this all night, which is way longer than I intended, about 2.5 hours. But I had a lot of fun. I think we're gonna end there. I don't know. I really want the player on ball physics to work. But I just don't know. We got quite a bit done though. We technically have ball velocity, we just don't have ball physics. Yeah, I'm undecided. I'm still gonna stream Saturday unless something happens, something comes up. So I'll try to stream Saturday, 2 p.m., 4 p.m. Maybe a little early, maybe I might start at 1. But yeah, undecided if I'm going to continue doing this or if we're going to move on to Raylib and see and basically do the same thing, only in a different framework. Yeah, tune in if you're curious, because I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. But that's it. I'm going to end the stream. I got a little cleaning up to do, and then I'm going to head to bed. So night, y'all.